this is Ashley from RecPro, and after you used your grill or your griddle, the remaining can be quite a mess. And it's very difficult to clean as well, which is why certain tools are needed to help make it a lot easier and keep your griddle or grill cleaner so it'll last longer. This kit is one of those kits. This is an 8-piece Blackstone griddle cleaning kit, the product code for which is RP-2242. This is designed to help clean griddles or grill grates to help, get rid of that cooked on grime and grease and all that stuff that can make it look kind of nasty after a while. So this 8-piece cleaning kit includes a 6-inch stainless steel scraper. It has a handle for the scour pads and a handle for the cleaning bricks. And then as well, you have 3 of these scour pads and two cleaning bricks. Yes. The stainless steel scraper removes large grit and food debris. You just scrape it. It's pretty self-explanatory. And it also features this built-in handle and hanger, which allows you to hang it and protects you from anything that is on the grill or the griddle. The bricks can be used for hot or cold surfaces, and they're really good and durable, and it'll help you clean it pretty well. These scour pads can be used on wet or dry griddle tops, and they're a little bit softer than these bricks, but with the tools for both of them, they're pretty easy to use. You have your handle, you can use it, and you don't have to scrape it or scrape up your hand. It's gonna be a lot easier to use, and it's gonna get the job done a lot better. So if you would like to learn more about this, you can click on the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.